Howdy y'all, welcome back. We're back working on the tractor again. So today I'm going to show you guys how to use slime. About the industrial size, just have a lot, gives a big tire. This tire is really badly rotted out. We'll try to buy some time with it. So if you don't know how to use slime, what you want to do is first, I'm going to shake it up real good. Let me hold this nozzle, not losing hose on it. I'm going to shake it up really good. Get all the compounds mixing and mingling and intercoursing, because you want them all good and happy. All good and happy. Make sure they're all happy. Then you're gonna want to take off this little cap right here, just blocking the flip from coming out. So pull out your box cutter, whatever you got on you, cut it with. I got a box cutter. You want to go like this? Pop her off. Cool. It's done. Easy peasy. You want to pop it off, so you want to spin it around. Boom. Now she up. Cool. Then you're going to get your little valve tool that came with your slime. Into that valve. So, these little teeth. Let's see if we can get this focus on this teeth for you. Little teeth right there. These go on your tire valve. So you're going to want to get your little tool up in there. Twist her out. Keep on twisting so that, here it comes, you hear it hissing. So there's still some pressure in here for sure. Is it gonna pop out? I don't know. I'm going to pause video here so I can just get this valve tool out. Now I got the valve stem out. Let this thing drain fully in. We had to go buy a better one from the auto parts store because that little plastic one was not doing it for this old school tractor. So I'm going to let your air drain out. And then you're going to want to pump in. It's one pump on this is an ounce of this. And based on your tire, you can look at the back of the instructions right here. So for a tractor, it's 16 ounces to 32 ounces. I'm going to pump about 26 pumps into it because it's not a full-size tractor. I know this leak's probably going to be bad. So now we're there. We can get our pump straw right here. It goes over the tube like so. Then you want to pump it. Make sure your tube is straight as possible so it gets through the tube. There's one pump in. Two pumps. 3 pumps. 4 pumps. 5 pumps. 6 pumps. 7 pumps. 8 pumps. 9 pumps. 10 pumps. 11 pumps, 12 pumps, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. That is 26 pumps. I'm going to put a pause on so I can get this tube draining in there. I want as much as I can get into it. And I'll resume when it's in the tire. Alright, now our slime's in the tire. You see it kind of sticking out of the neck there. So now we're going to put our valve stem back in and pump her back up. That should give us a seal, hopefully. Alright, pause going on now. Alright, now we got our pancake back on, so we can start getting some PSI in this whole thing. This pump's really old and not in the best shape, so take a while to get PSI. So I'm gonna let it get up to about 45 PSI and start putting air into this tire here. And that'll get us, hopefully, a seal. And this slime is pretty good stuff. So we're gonna wait for it to pump up. I'm gonna put a pause on the video again and start putting air in the tire. I need both hands for that process, and I'll get you guys back on the video when the air's in the tire, or at least I got it in much as I can with a small little pancake compressor. Alright, see you in a second. Alright, so we're getting some PSI in there. We got about 10 PSI in so far, but my pancake is already struggling with this. So we're gonna keep on trying it. I just wanna get the tire up off the ground. I need to have full PSI in right now. Just enough to get the slime to go in the holes and seal it up. So I can drive it to the gas station with air in it properly. Alright, I'm gonna pause it back and keep on filling up. But the tire's looking better already. It's up off the ground at least. Alright, going back on pause. There we go. We're at 20 PSI. That's good enough for me for this little farm. Tire's up in the air at least. Slime's in it. And I'll be driving around probably tomorrow to get the slime spread around in it because we're getting dark out here. And that should get our tire repaired for about a year, maybe 2 years at the most. See y'all next time. Keep throwing knuckles, keep throwing wrenches, keep having fun. See y'all next time.